Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I don't know how about you, but I am ready to do some fall decorations. So in this video I am starting my fall series. I'll show you a couple of DIYs that I have made for my home, and I think they turn out adorable. So if you would like to see what I have made, please continue watching. Okay, so for this project we will be using everything from the Dollar Tree. I got this windmill chime, and what I did, I needed to take it apart, so I break this piece so I can take this off. So I will be mainly using this, and I will save this for something later. Then they had these boxes, a bunch of them a while ago. I picked it up, wasn't sure what I'm gonna do with it, but this is gonna be handy now. Then right now they already have a couple of fall decorations, and I do want to make and use this for my DIY. Then of course one of those really cool board, which I will be taking everything off of it, and then I'll use my sand thingy to sand it. And I have two painter sticks that I got from Home Depot for free, which I will be cutting them to make this. And all of this I will want to paint with the chalk paint, white chalk paint on this part. In the board I want to use the truffle one to paint these pieces of board. So this is pretty much it. And to stuff my little basket, I'll be using a little bit of Spanish moss along with the old paper towels, so I don't have to use too much of it. So it's kind of like that. But first I will be painting this basket as well. I'm gonna paint it white and then distress it with a dry brush of the truffle. So that is the project for today, and let's start. So this is all dry, and this is how it's going to look. I really like how it turned out, the basket and everything. So I'm gonna turn it upside down, and right here where the board is, I want to attach the little loop for the holder. You can use the glue, the hot glue, but I would like to use the stapler. So I'm gonna make a small loop and then just attach to it. And then we're done, and I will show you how it fits in my decor. So I'm gonna use my stapler gun. So I don't really want a big loop. That was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like. And if you're one of my new people, please let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to my little family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye for now.